Let's analyze and compare the two provided JavaScript functions, nested if logic and better if logic. Going with nested if logic function. This function uses a nested if-else structure to check whether A, B, and C are defined. If any of them is not defined, it returns a corresponding message. The nested structure creates a visual hierarchy based on the conditions. Better if logic function. This function uses the guard technique with multiple if statements to check for the defined status of A, B, and C. If any of them is not defined, it immediately returns the corresponding message. If all are defined, it returns all are defined. On executing, the output of both code are same and looks same. Let's compare the code. Point 1. Readability. The better if logic function is generally considered more readable and concise. It avoids deep nesting, and the guard clauses are easy to understand. The nested if logic function has a more complex and deeply nested structure, which can make it harder to read and maintain. Point 2. Performance. In terms of performance, both functions are likely to have negligible differences. Modern JavaScript engines are optimized to handle such simple branching logic efficiently. The choice between these two functions is more about code readability and maintainability rather than performance. Point 3. Ease of maintenance. The better if logic function is likely to be easier to maintain because it follows the guard clause approach, making it clearer and more modular. The nested if logic function, with its nested structure, may become harder to read and maintain as more conditions are added. Thank you for joining today's discussion. I hope the exploration of JavaScript functions, especially nested if logic and better if logic, has been insightful. As always, prioritizing clean and readable code not only enhances understanding but also contributes to efficient collaboration and long-term maintainability. Feel free to subscribe for more coding insights, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy coding!